Hello guys, welcome back on OCP Technology. My name is Shripal. This is a small video on the DB link, and in this video we are going to learn how to take export and import using the DB link on the another server or database. So in this video we are going to learn complete step by step how to perform this activity. Suppose we are suffering from the low disk space, and in this case we are need to take export a schema or table, but we don't have the sufficient space on production machine mount points. Using the DB link we can perform the export activity and import activity also directly from another server. So without wasting your time, let's move on the computer screen and do the practically step by step.
So in this practical we have two databases. One is digital and other one is tech. So both are on the same machine actually. So I'm just going to perform the activity in the digital. Digital database is my source database and tech is my target database. I already upload all the steps on my website ocptechnology.com. You can find out the link in my video description also. So let's start the practical. For this demo, in the step 1, I'm going to create a sample schema so that we are using this schema for the export and import activity. Okay. Using these command, I'm going to create a schema, then create a table inside the schema and insert some records in the table. Okay, user created, grant some privileges, then connect the OCP user and create a table, then insert some record in the table. Let me check the records from the table, and you can see there is a 5 records which I recently inserted in the table. In the step 2, we need to grant export and import privileges to OCP schema. Connect with sysuser and grant the privileges. Now in the step 3, this is the most important part of this practice. We need to copy the TNS entry from the source server to target server. As I'm already informed you, I'm doing this activity on the same server. I do not need to copy the TNS entry. But in your case, the source server and target server is different. So you should copy the TNS entry from the source server to target server so that both server must be TNS ping to each other. Okay, otherwise you will face the issue. So in my case, I am showing here my tnsname.ora file look like this. Step 2 on the target database, create a directory. Okay, in the step 3, now we need to create a DB link using the source database service name. Digital is the source database service name. OCP is the schema name which we created on the source database, which we are going to import or export here. Digital underscore DB is the DB link name. Okay, our DB link has been created now. In the step 4, now I'm going to import the OCP schema directly from the source server to target server using the following command. Hit enter and give the username and password here. I'm running this with the sysuser. It will take few minutes to complete. Till then I'm going to pause my video. Okay, finally it is completed. Now connect with the OCP user and verify the data. You can see here our complete data of OCP schema is now available in my new database. In the step 5, we are going to perform export activity using the DB link. So using the below command, you can directly export the schema, table, whatever from source to destination very easily. Let me perform the activity. The command will going to create a dump file on my target server. Okay, our export backup has been completed successfully. So this is the way to take the export backup using the DB link. Let me check the dump file. Here you can see the export log and dump file also, and one is old log which is the import log.
Guys, if you really learned something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are facing any issue in this scenario, please write in the comment box. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.